Let's take a tour of our studio. Here we have our showroom. And in the showroom, you'll see that we have all of our beautiful curated items that we use for our clients. We also have all of these products online. These built-ins are a part of our sister company, Premier Built-ins. Then we go into our conference room. Here we bring our clients in to review plans, to discuss design, and show them what our design boards look like. Then we work directly with the Ridgefield Guild of Artists. So you'll see here, this is the gallery wall of our current artist, Madeline. If you follow us online, you'll see that we have an artist reception. So we welcome the artists and everybody can come in. This is where all the design beauty happens. The team sits here and we design here all of our samples and everything that we can possibly get our hands on. We've got all our hardware in here, and when we're designing kitchens, this helps people with the different color options that they could go with. Just so much. We have our beautiful Creating Spaces boards here where we put together color palettes for our clients. That is our wall of our favorite paint selections. Thank you for coming, and I hope to see you soon. If you're here in Ridgefield or in the surrounding area, please drop in.